Is up, guys? T Croc here. Welcome to the vlog. I was gonna do this off camera because we are extremely busy at the shop, and trying to record with all the background noise and trying to talk to you guys would probably be more of a pain in the ass. But I figured I could show you guys what I'm doing, and I can talk about it afterwards. So what we're doing today, I'm gonna take everything out of the car, vacuum it out, make sure it's nice and clean, and then I'm gonna install both seats. Install the passenger side harness. I finally got the hardware for the anti-submarine belt, so we're gonna mount those, and that's about it. So yeah, I do have my front bumper in my back seat right now. That I am gonna take to my buddy's house later so he can paint it, and that's it. So I will see you guys at the shop. Alright, that is it. My vacuum broke, so I had to use an air hose to kind of just blow out the dust to get it out the way. Submarine belt is installed correctly now with the eye hook, thanks to OG Racing. Previous shop installed it wrong. They just drilled a hole and bolted it, and it had it flat. And the submarine belt is supposed to be mounted straight up. They also had it too far forward, so in case I was going to submarine in the seat, it would have not worked properly. So it's a certain degree you're supposed to mount it, so I marked it and drilled a hole and mounted it correctly. Tie downs and battery covers are installed. What else? The seats, the harness, when I wrapped it around the roll cage, I didn't catch it in the video, but when you wrap it, you can find many videos on YouTube, but you have to go through one more time. I just did that. I totally forgot to do it. I kind of wanted to make sure I had the right length before I actually did a permanent install. So, and I'm probably gonna have to adjust it because different passengers will be in the car, and that means different sizes for people. Let's see. I think that's it. Everything is ready, so I'm probably gonna try to set up an appointment very soon with the shop so I can get this car teched. For the next video, I really don't have anything coming up, so I will probably go over the motor and just more details because I get a lot of questions about the setup, and that's it. So I will see you guys next time.